Create free Android app and publish on Play Store. If you want to build your own Android app for your e-commerce website or any sort of website, just keep watching this video. Hey guys, Rana back here, and in this video we're not only going to look at how to build a free app, plus I'll show you guys how to publish that app on Google Play Store. And you don't need to know a single line of code to build this free Android app, because we will use drag and drop editor, which makes the process simple to build this free Android app. Basically, in this year 2023, we are going to convert our e-commerce website into Android app. Why? Well, because in this 2023 there are 2.6 billion active Android users. So that's why you must have your own Android app, because if you have your own Android app, you can gain traffic, conversion, and user trust. So before I start building this Android app, I want to let you know this. Creating an Android app is totally free, but if you want to publish your app on Google Play Store, there will be a $25 registration fees, and this registration fees will be a one-time payment, guys. So make sure you have some budget if you want to publish your app on Google Play Store. So are you ready? Let's get started and let me show you guys how to build this free Android app and publish on Google Play Store. Okay guys, let's start building our Android app. First of all, you have to come to this website, nitron.com, and here you have to click on Create App button. It will open a new tab. On this page, you have to sign in or sign up. Let's go ahead, sign up with Google. I'm going to use my Google account. Now you have to simply click on this button, Builder. It will open a new tab. Now click on I accept. Now click on Got it. Okay, now you can start building your free Android app. To do it, let's click on New. Now select your project type. I'm going to select Empty Activity. Now type the name of your project. Package name should be blank, and click Next. Alright guys, so this is kind of dashboard where you can start building your Android app. If you look at here, these are the components that you can add inside your application. And if you look at the top header section, you will see all the tools that you can use to build your Android app. And if you look at here, these are the components that has been added inside your application by default. And right side, you will see all the components property that you have selected here. By default, there is only screen 1. You can add as many components inside your application. It's pretty straightforward. Just drag and drop anything you like from the left section inside your application, and you can start building your app. In this video, we're not going to cover entire components or the entire setting of this Nitron. We will take a look at only those components and those settings that are required to build our free Android app. Basically, we are going to turn our website into Android app. So we take a look at only those components that are required to build that type of Android app. Right now we are inside the designer mode. If you click over here, you will see the blocks area where you start building your app. Let's click over here once again. So we are back to the designer mode. So first of all, let's add a component. Come over here and search for web viewer and drag and drop this component over here. As you can see, the component has been added under the screen 1. Let's add another component. Delete this one and type notifier and drag and drop this component as well. Now we have 2 components. Now select web viewer and type your website URL over here. Now uncheck this option, zoom enabled. And now let's go to blocks area. So in this area, we're going to add different types of blocks to add different types of functionality. So make sure you watch this part very carefully, because if you do something wrong in this area, your application will not work properly. Okay, so take a look at very carefully. Now click over here, screen 1, and now search for when screen 1 back pressed. Now drag and drop this component over here or anywhere in this area. Now let's click on control and search for if then else if then. Now drag and drop this component over here under this section. Now you will hear the sound. There you go. This is the snap sound. When you hear it, that means you perfectly connected the block. Now click on this gear icon and now remove the else. Drag and drop this else over this green area. There you go, and click anywhere on the screen and we are good here. Now go to logic. Now drag and drop this component and snap it over here. Now go to web viewer and search for this component, web viewer 1 and current URL, and drag and drop and snap this component inside this area. Next, go to text and drag and drop this component and add it over here and click over here and type your website URL. Next, go to notifier and search for this component called notifier1 show alert notice and drag and drop this component over here. Now go to notifier once again and search for this component called notifier show choose dialogues message title button 1 button 2 text and cancelable, and drag and drop and insert this component over here just like it. And one more time, let's go to web viewer and search for this component called web viewer can go back and drag and drop and insert it over here under the else if. And one more time, let's go to web viewer and search for this component called web viewer go back and insert it over here. And now go to text and drag and drop this component and insert it over here and type over here can't go back anymore. Now go to text block once again, and now we need this type of text block once again and insert it over here. And now we need the same type of text block. Now all you need to do, just select the text block and copy it by pressing the Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V 1, 2, 3 times, and now insert it over here. Exactly what I did, you have to do the same. Now under the message, type do you want to exit, and the title would be exit, and the button 1 text will be yes, and the button 2 text will be empty. Now let's go to notifier and now select this component. Now drag and drop this component when notifier 1 after choosing what should happen. Let's drag and drop this component over here. Now go to control once again and drag and drop this component. Let's go to logic and drag and drop this component and insert it over here. Now go to variables and insert this block over here. Now click on this drop down button and select choose. And now let's copy this block, right click, duplicate, and drag and drop this yes block and insert it over here. And now let's go to logic and search for close application and drag and drop and insert it over here. Okay, so now we are finished with the block section. If you're confused a little bit, you can pause the video and you can copy exactly what I did over here. And now let's go back to designer mode. And now click on screen 1. Now let's come to the right section and scroll down. I like to hide the status bar, so I'm gonna uncheck it. And I also like to hide the title. It's personal preference, guys. If you like to show the status bar, you can check this. Otherwise, you can do exactly what I did over here. Now let's click on this gear icon. Here you have to type your application name, which is already there and completely fine for me. Now scroll down. Here you can upload application icon. Right now we have not uploaded any icon yet. Let's close this out. And now let's upload the application icon by clicking on the asset button. Drag and drop your application icon over here. So this is my app icon. I'm gonna drag and drop over here. If you do not know how to create a logo for your application, you can watch my other video. You will find this video over here, or you will find the video link in the video description. Anyways, let's click on the cancel button and now come back to this gear icon. So under the general tab, scroll down and select your application icon. Here you can add the splash screen if you want. I'm gonna uncheck it. If you want to add it, you can check this box and select your splash screen. If you already prepared a splash screen, splash image or splash icon will appear every time when you launch your application. If you like to add your splash image or icon, check this box and select your splash icon that you uploaded. Let's choose the same icon just for the demonstration purposes. And let's go to this release tab, and over here make sure you select the Android 12.0, which is the latest Android. So target SDK version should be the same, guys, and scroll down and make sure your version code and your version name should be the same as mine. Let's go to the monetize tab. Here you can add the AdMob app ID if you want to monetize your application. Right now I'm not gonna do it because this is my e-commerce app. I don't want to confuse my visitors with Google Ads or with any kind of advertising network. Let's go to the theme and designing. Here you can choose your app theme, light or dark, whatever you like. I'll go with dark. Accent color, you can choose your accent color, primary color, secondary color. It's all up to you. Next we have the additional. Here you can add the tutorial URL if you have one. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Screen sizing. This is very important, guys. Make sure you select the responsive. If someone try to open your application on tablet, the application automatically adjusts the size according to the device. And rest of the things are good here. Let's close this out. Okay, so now we are finished with our application. Now you are ready to upload your application on Google Play Store. But before that, you need a APK. To get your application APK, click over here, build button, and make sure you download your APK and APK bundle as well. In case your APK does not work inside your Google Play Store, then you have option to upload APK bundle as well. Let's download APK. Now wait for a few minutes and your APK will be ready to download. Okay, now click on the download button in order to download your APK. Now click on start download and download your APK. Once you do it, click on cancel and make sure you download your APK bundle as well. Now wait for a few minutes, your APK bundle will be ready to download. Now download your APK bundle by clicking on the download button. There you go. Click on cancel and your APK bundle is now downloading, as you can see. So before we publish this application on Google Play Store, let's test this application on Android phone. It's time to publish your application on Google Play Store, but before that, make sure you prepare your assets that you can see on the screen. Once your asset is ready, let's go ahead and upload our application. Alright guys, so this is my Android phone and now I'm gonna install my application that we just built. First of all, let's go to File Manager. Now locate your application that you just built, and this is my app that I've just created. Click on it and click Install. Now expand this and click on Install Anywhere. Now click Open. This is our application that we just built. By the way, this is a dropshipping store. If you want to know how to build this type of dropshipping store, all you have to do, just go to the video description of this video and you will find a video tutorial where I'll show you guys how to create a beautiful dropshipping store just like this one. Anyways, let's test this app. First of all, let's open this product. Now click on Add to Cart. So there you go. Now try to press back button and let's see. Okay, as you can see, we successfully come back one step. Let's press back button once again. And now you can see we have this message, can't go back anymore, or do you want to exit? Cancel or yes button. If you click on cancel button, it will not close the application. Let's try to press back button once again and now press yes button and see, we successfully exit the app. That means our application is working perfectly fine. Now it's time to move with the next step. In this step, we are going to publish this app on Google Play Store. But before that, make sure you hit the like button. That would be appreciated, guys. And now this part is very important, guys. Make sure you watch this whole part if you do not want any error during your upload on Google Play Store. Okay, let's get started. First of all, perform a Google search for Google Play Console and open this first website. So on this page, you need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have Google account, you have to create a new one. It's pretty straightforward. Just fill in the simple sign up form and you will have your Google account. Now let's log in with your Google account on Google Play Console. It's pretty straightforward. But before we sign in, I want to let you know that to create a Google Play Console account, it costs you $25 and this will be one-time payment, guys. You can pay this amount with MasterCard, Visa, American Express and other payment methods. Since I already have Google Play Console account, I'm not gonna buy it again. So I'm gonna log in into my Google Play Console. Let's click on this button, go to Play Console. Now select your Play Console account. So now you can see this is my Google Play Console account. And as you can see, I've uploaded 3 apps. One is rejected, 2 is successfully uploaded on Google Play Store. Anyways, let me show you how you can upload your app on Google Play Store. Once inside your Google Play Console account, simply click on Create App button. Here in the app detail, type the name of your application. Select your language, English will be fine. This is app or game, this is an app. Free or paid, this is free app. And make sure you check these 2 options and click on Create App at the right bottom. And here guys, make sure do not skip any single part of this video if you want to successfully upload your app on Google Play Store. And now let's click on this button view task under the setup your app and click on setup privacy policy. And here make sure you type your own privacy policy URL. Let's go to your website. Now scroll down. Now open your privacy policy page. Now copy the URL of your privacy policy. Come back to this page and paste it over here and then click on save. Let's go back by clicking on the dashboard button. So as you can see, one is completed out of 11. Let's complete the other one. Click on app access. Now check the first option and click on save. Let's go back. Now 2 is complete. Let's click on ads. Does your app contain ads? No. Click on save. Let's click back. Now click on content rating. Click on start questionnaire. Type your email really quick over here. Make sure you type your real email, category, all other apps, and click next. Downloaded app. Does the app contain any rating relevance? For example, this sex, violence, language? No. Basically, you have to keep clicking on every single no. That's pretty much it. Click on save and click next and then click on submit. And we are good here. Let's click on the dashboard button. So we have done with the content rating. Let's click on the target audience 18 and over and click on next. Store presence. Appeal to children. Could you store listing? Unintentionally appeal to children? No. Click next and click save and click back. So we're done with the target audience. Click on news app. Is your app a news app? No. Click save and now go back. Scroll down. COVID-19. Help us to understand whether your app is COVID-19, content tracing or status app. So here I'm not gonna select any of this option because my application does not related to COVID-19 content tracing and status app. So I'm gonna go back by clicking on the dashboard button and now scroll down and click on the data safety. And now scroll down and read these information and then click on next. Does your app collect or share any of the required user data type? No, and click next. And finally click on submit. And now go back by clicking on the dashboard button, scroll down and then click on government apps. Is your app developed by or on the behalf of the government? No. And click save and go back. Scroll down. Now you have to manage your app, how your app is organized and presented. Select an app category and provide contact details. Click on that. This is app or game. This is app. Select the category of your app. Since this is an e-commerce app, I'm gonna select shopping where it is. There you go. Now select the tag baby care and click apply. Scroll down and over here you have to type your store listing contact details. Type your real email, type your phone number included with your country code and type your website URL. And make sure you check this option, advertise my app outside of Google Play and then click on save. Now let's go back to the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard button. So here you can see we completed this task as well. Now finally we have the setup your store listing. Click on that. Now scroll down. Now here you can see we have the app detail. App name is correct. Short description, type your short description over here and below type your full description. Now scroll down. So under the graphics, upload your app icon. Click on upload button. Select your app icon and click open. Now scroll down and here you have to upload the feature graphic. Click on upload button. So this is the featured graphic and make sure guys you check the resolution of these images. This is the app icon size and this is the feature graphic size. If you do not know how to create these type of images or icon, you can check out my other video where I'll show you how to create a logo within 5 minutes without having a knowledge of any kind of graphic designing. You will find that video link in the video description. Anyway, select your graphic image and click open. And below you can upload your YouTube video link if you have one, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Scroll down, here you have to upload the phone screenshot. Now click on upload and now select entire screenshot that you have and click open. You can upload maximum 8 screenshot. Now scroll down. For tablets, you can upload the same type of screenshot and click open. And 10-inch tablet, you can upload the same screenshot, click open. Chromebook, I'm gonna upload the same for Chromebook as well. For the Chromebook, I cannot upload the same icon, so I'm gonna close it out and click on save. And let's go back to the dashboard. Alright guys, so as you can see, we completed the setup your store listing as well, but we left with this COVID-19 contact tracing and status app. Let's complete this task as well. So I think I'll have to go with the third option. My app is not publicly available COVID-19 content tracing or status app, and click on save and go back to the dashboard. And now let's click on the production button and click on the countries tab and click on the add country and select the countries where you like to publish your app. So I like to publish my app on worldwide. So I'm going to select all countries by checking this box and click on add countries and click on add. There you go. Now your app will be available in 177 countries. Now click on release dashboard. Here click on create new release. Alright guys, so here you have to upload your app bundle. Now click on upload. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I may require a app bundle in order to upload on Google Play Store. So select your app bundle and click open. Let it be upload. While this uploading, scroll down and type your release name 1.0 and type your release note. Now scroll down and finally click on the next button. And here you can see we have two yellow warning. You can ignore it. This is completely fine. All you have to do, just click on the start or rollout to production button and your app will go to review section. Google Play Console team will review your app within few days. Once they approve your app will be uploaded on Google Play Store. There is a 110% chance to upload your app without having any sort of error because we have completed everything in this video. So that's why I'm telling you guys, make sure you watch the entire video without skipping any single part of this video and just wait for a few days and your app will be available in Google Play Store. Once your app will be available, let me know in the comment section with your app name. Do not include the URL. It will go to the spam folder. Just type your app name below in the comment section and make sure guys type hashtag create free Android app. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. And thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to check out these two videos right here guys. And that being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you next time.